Massive wildfires fueled by strong winds raged across central and southern Chile in late March. This family recorded their terrifying escape from the intense flames in Santa Juana. Sounds of panic filled the car as they navigated their way to safety, even driving directly through the fire at times. As the car pulled away from the worst of the blaze, passengers looked back to see a huge wall of smoke fill the sky behind them. In recent years, Chile has been hit by aggressive wildfires during the southern summer. In February 2024, several simultaneous fires caused 137 deaths, marking Chile's deadliest forest fires in history.